Welcome everyone. I've put together a brief presentation to explain the next steps for participants supporting my research titled Enhanced Evaluation of Learning Management Systems for MSc e-learning group projects, incorporating accessibility and artificial intelligence features. I appreciate everyone is busy and hopefully you can watch this back in your own time, and I will also provide a copy of this slide deck for your reference. So as mentioned in the information sheet that I emailed you, this research aims to develop a comprehensive evaluation framework for learning management systems. It builds upon research conducted by Anstey and Watson, but it includes a more robust accessibility evaluation, and I've included a new section on AI tailored to support MSc e-learning group projects. The project will deliver a practical tool for selecting LMS technologies that align with specific e-learning use cases. Furthermore, the study involves testing this framework across various LMS platforms to ensure it meets all necessary criteria for a thorough evaluation. This could reveal new considerations for the enhancement of the rubric. The study aims not only to facilitate the selection process for students, but also to enrich the field of e-learning by integrating essential technical and pedagogical elements. The survey, created using SurveyMonkey, is designed to be easily accessible, user-friendly, and facilitate straightforward analysis and sharing of your LMS evaluations. It includes 9 categories with a total of 40 questions, and typically the survey takes about 25 to 30 minutes to complete. However, please allow up to 2 hours to allow for installations and to thoroughly navigate and evaluate your chosen LMS to provide informed responses. In preparation, you should decide which LMS you wish to evaluate before starting the survey, obviously, and upcoming slides will offer some guidance on this process. Access the survey at this SurveyMonkey link shared in the slide deck. I'd ask that you please complete the survey by the 31st of March, and this survey was developed based on the rubric detailed in the appendices. If you want to preview the basis of this evaluation study, we'll take a brief look at this at the end of this presentation. If you're looking to use a new learning management system other than the one you're currently using, it's important to know that an LMS is essentially a software application that provides the framework to handle all aspects of the learning process. So an LMS can be integrated with various platforms to enhance the learning experience, and one popular choice is to combine it with a website like those made with WordPress or built with native HTML. For those of you new to this, WordPress is a user-friendly website creation tool that can be enhanced with plugins, which are like add-ons to add new features. An LMS plugin integrates with WordPress to provide a platform for online learning. So here are some LMS options that are known for their easy integration and ability to create a rich learning environment. We have LearnDash, which accompanied with Grassblade will allow SCORM uploads. Cluvo, Moodle, but with Moodle you might require a second plugin in order to integrate with WordPress. There's Tutor and MasterStudy. There's a whole host of other LMS plugins out there, so you might come across ones that I haven't come across, which is even better. So if you want to go down this route, you can take a look at these ones, or you can come up with your own. So I've listed some of the leading corporate or institution learning management systems that you may already be familiar with. We have Moodle, Cornerstone, Brightspace, Workday Learning, Absorb, LMS 365 by Microsoft, and each of these systems offers unique features tailored to various learning environments. You may have access to one of these mentioned already or a completely different LMS. I really don't mind, you can evaluate any LMS that you have access to. So if you're without an LMS at work or college, consider integrating WordPress with an LMS plugin. This combo offers a sandbox to test drive various LMS features through trial versions without a major commitment. For those considering Moodle, it's user-friendly to set up but does require hosting. It can be hosted on a personal or business website. If you have access to an LMS but with restricted admin rights, make use of the comments section to note any aspects you're unable to evaluate fully. So should you require guidance with your evaluation, especially if it involves installing an LMS, you may benefit from an observational study. In this type of study, I can provide step-by-step assistance and help clarify any questions you might have during the process. Also, opting for the observational study is entirely voluntary, but it's particularly recommended for individuals handling the LMS installations, as it allows for the collection of detailed qualitative data on user experiences, interactions, and perceptions that often remain unexplored in standard survey methodologies. If you are interested in enhancing your understanding through observation or need tailored support with your LMS setup, please reach out to me for further information. I have created a list of FAQs. If you don't find an answer to your question here, please feel free to reach out to me, but take a look at these first, as your answer may be in this list. So this is our appendix, which contains information regarding the rubric that I've adapted based on research by Anstey and Watson. It incorporates a new section on AI, and it has expanded the accessibility criteria to include more detailed compliance with the WCAG standards. Again, there's just some instructions on here regarding the rubric. And just to reiterate, the rubric has been built using SurveyMonkey for ease of access, user-friendly interaction, and straightforward analysis and sharing of your LMS evaluations. So everything is in the questionnaire. We've translated each section and set of criteria of our rubric into corresponding questions in a SurveyMonkey questionnaire. So let's dive into the first section, which is called Functionality, to illustrate this process. So for example, we assess scale with the following survey question. How would you rate the scalability of the learning management system in terms of accommodating class size and creating subgroups or communities of practice? Participants can then respond on a 3-point scale, reflecting the degree of scalability and flexibility the LMS offers. They have the following options: works well, has minor concerns, has serious concerns. There's also a field for not applicable. So if the question does not relate to your LMS, you choose not applicable and state the reason in the other comment box. So if we go back to functionality again, let's have a look at the second criteria, ease of use. So we've translated the ease of use criteria into this question. How would you evaluate the ease of use of the LMS's interface in terms of personalisation and intuitive navigation for instructors or students? Works well, minor concerns, serious concerns, and again, we have this not applicable field. So I hope that gives you a sense of how the rubric translates into our SurveyMonkey questionnaire. Feel free to read over the slide deck, and you can have a look at the appendix to see the correlation between the rubric and the SurveyMonkey questionnaire. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you found this brief presentation useful in guiding you with the evaluation of the LMS, helping you decide which LMS you're going to evaluate, and also how the rubric has been structured and translated into a SurveyMonkey questionnaire for your ease of access and to capture hopefully some interesting results. Thank you very much.